Hello and welcome to the sailing adventures of Scamper. So today you find us on the hard, Scamper just behind me, and it's been lifted out of the water and pressure washed, as you may have seen in one of my short videos recently. So we are starting some maintenance on Scamper. We've already taken off some of the headlining and removed some of the old rotten marine ply that was sat behind it, and today we are going to start sticking some of the marine ply back onto the coach roof to reinstall the headlining. Now, to do that, we are going to use Sikaflex to stick the marine ply to the GRP coach roof and see how that goes. Now, previously it was actually screwed into the gel coat of the coach roof, which we don't really fancy doing, so hence why we're using the Sikaflex. So fingers crossed this all goes to plan. We are absolute complete beginners at this, never attempted anything like this before, and as you would have seen from my previous videos, Scamper is our first boat, so wish us luck and we'll see how it goes.
Do you want some rope for down there?
Yeah.
What size do you want?
As you can see, we've removed the old marine ply from the side of the coach roof, and we are just about starting to pop some new marine ply back on. And as you can see, that's the first strip there that we've popped onto the coach roof using some Sikaflex. Previously they had screwed the marine ply right into the gel coat, which actually we're not comfortable with doing, so we thought we'd use Sikaflex. And as you can see here, that's some of the old marine ply, and we managed to get the same thickness, and we'll stick that up there, and then once that's gone off, probably next week, we'll pop the headlining back up where it needs to be. The headlining in the fore cabin above the V-berth was actually generally in pretty good order. There was only one bit of plywood there that needed to be replaced, and that one was just there, so we did that last week. Small bit of marine ply, Sikaflex to the top of the coach roof, and screwed that in today, and seems to be holding quite nicely. As you can see, this is the heads, and the headlining in the main cabin was just like that. So you can see that the plywood has rotted somewhat, and some of it's come down, but actually apart from that part there, the bathroom actually looks pretty good. That needs reapplying as well, and as you can see, that moved, so plenty of work to do on the headlining. We finished sticking all of the marine ply onto the side of the coach roof, and we've just made up a corner bit that wasn't there before, and just to give it a bit of extra support when we pop the liner back up, and we're just stopping it from dropping there until the Sikaflex goes off. So the next job that we've got to do is, we noticed a very slight leak just through this hole here, and this hole is one of the bolts that connects the clutch on the port side to the coach roof. So going to put some Sikaflex down the hole and stick a new bit of wood just here where the old one was, and hopefully sort out that seal, and then we can get the roof panel from this part back up into position. We are continuing with the headlining today, and I'll turn the camera around in a second just so you can see what progress we've made, and maybe a bit of a recap on what we did last time. So let's turn the camera around. We have actually managed to pop the lining back up there, and for some strange reason the previous owner stuck a bit of expanding foam up there. I don't know why, but I've managed to get all of that off, but as you can see, it has stained some of the headlining there. Now, we've tried getting that off, but we can't with anything. So what we're going to do now is stick the, well, there we go, we're going to stick the lining back up on the side around the windows, see how that fits, and then we will see how that looks. So fingers crossed that goes up as well as we're hoping it will. Now you'll notice Jackie's up there making a bit of noise, and she's cleaning kind of some of the dirt and everything off the white-ish gel coat on top of the coach roof.
Right.
Well, let's just put it up first. Yeah. Well, so we've actually forgotten to put a bit of wood up there, so we can't screw it up after all.
Yeah.
We're a bit hasty there, never mind. So we have managed to get the headlining up. Unfortunately, we're not sure whether the screws are long enough or not, so we've just screwed it up, and we'll see how it goes. And once we've got the other part up, we'll see how it all lines up, and we might well need to get some thicker screws. It's not the length of the screw, that's fine, it's just the thickness of the screws that we may need to change. We are nearly done with the roof lining on the port side, and I'm just putting the finishing screws into that, and we've noticed there's probably another place that needs another screw that wasn't before, so we'll do that and finish it off. So once we've done the port side, there's the starboard side that needs looking at, and the bathroom as well, so we will carry on. That is the headlining on the port side complete, and I think we've made a pretty good job of that. And the stainless steel edging strip there above the cooker, and Jackie's just outside polishing up the covers for the compass. So she's used various kind of things to do that, including a bit of hull cleaner, the fiberglass colour restorer, the marine polish, and also the Jif that you can see behind there. Now, I'm not sure whether you can tell the difference or not, but this is what it looked like before, and this is what the compass protection looked like afterwards. And I mean, from the naked eye, I think you can see the difference on the screen there.
Well, look at the difference,
but
that and how it's coming up.
Not completely sure. And also on the, that's a bit more obvious. So we've got the uncleaned one on the left, and that's for the depth sounder, and that one there is for the wind monitor. So you can quite clearly see there the difference. So surprising how well that's come out. Well done, Jackie. Jacquie has finished off the lockers there below the seat or the bunk, and she's also done the lockers inside the cupboards there as well, but she has just missed a tiny little bit there. Not sure whether you can see that or not, but you can see the change in colour. So
No one can see it.
it's time for a cup of tea.
Hot chocolate.
Or hot chocolate for Jacquie, and
just ignore that bit. I didn't miss it. Next week it'll be done.
There you go. You heard it straight from Jacquie.
Edit that out. It'll look like I haven't missed it at all.
Edit what bit out?
Listen. Ding.
Jacquie is using bilge and locker paint to go over the lockers,
Which is very
and
difficult, not getting your head in it.
as you can see, she's doing a really good job, and she's going to do that one next. So this is what Jacquie's been up to, a bit more locker painting in there and in there as well. So yeah, it was a bit dark in here, but actually we can see it, it's not too bad.
Well, if you look at that one,
Yeah, you can tell the difference.
how bad that looks.
Yeah, that looks
not
like
there,
you've
look.
painted that in magnolia.
Yeah, no, that's how disgusting it is.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching us start the interior work on Scamper. This video covers the headlining, and that's pretty much complete at this stage. We've also almost finished off painting the lockers, and I think you'll agree they do look much nicer. Now, the only thing left to do inside that will come in a later video is to replace the flooring in the main cabin. I hope you will be joining us in the next episode, where you will see me removing some of the anti-foul using various methods in preparation for treatment. Now, as you can see on the screen, we do have some rust spots forming, and they were getting ever larger, so I thought I would get onto this rather promptly before they got any worse. Well, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and please do comment and ask any questions. It really does help the channel grow, and we both really enjoy reading your comments, tips and tricks with regards to fixing boats. So take care, guys, and we will see you in the next episode. Cheers.